Hi, folks, and happy Friday. This is going to be a quick 5-minute screencast to sort of walk us through what we're doing today. We'll do these screencasts in a couple of chunks just so we can keep these short and simple and to the point. So, today we are working on Lab 3B and writing RAPS conclusions. A few announcements and reminders as we get started. Number one, we are near the end of the week and we're doing this first lab. And also keep in mind your new outline for this new unit, 3.1 and 3.2. That'll be due next Wednesday, February 3rd. Today, you should have turned in your graphing assignment to Schoology. This includes the hand-drawn graph and the Google Sheets graph, as well as those analysis questions. Double check and make sure that's submitted as we start our lesson today. So these are the announcements and reminders. I'm going to go ahead and end my recording now, and then you'll have another video on the next slide that'll kind of explain what we're doing for Lab 3B. Thanks for joining us today, folks.